Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can control your mouse setting in MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the settings. So as you can see, you can open the settings from here as well, and if you want to open the settings from here, you can also do that. You have to click on the Apple logo, and then simply you need to click on the system and preferences. So let's click on this, and after that, as you can see, it has an option for the mouse. So we have to click on the mouse option. So I'm going to cut this one, and now let's click on the mouse setting, and after that it will open the mouse settings. So simply we have to click on the touchpad, and after clicking on the touchpad we have to control all the things. If you want to look up and date, so as you can see, all the options are provided here: look up and date, and secondary click, and tap on click, and the speed also provided. And if you want to scroll and zoom, you can also do that. As you can see, they have also provided some screenshots and live video as well. You can also check out from there as well, and more gesture are also provided. If you want to use them, you can also do that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use your MacBook touchpad or MacBook mouse. So you just have to follow these steps. So after that you will be able to use this. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.